This is Teacher Ace. Welcome to our online learning. Are you ready now to learn? We have a very exciting topic for today. Our lesson is about division. In this lesson, we may be able to learn what is division and the terminologies used in division. What is division? Division is the opposite of multiplication. It asks the question, if I share a number equally into groups, how many will there be in each group? Or, how many groups of a number are there in another number? Symbols of division. There are three symbols which represent division. For simple division, we use. For long division, we use. For any division, we can use the line in a fraction. So 24 divide 8 could also be written as 24 divide 8 or 24 over 8 or 24 over 8. This particular division is either asking, if I divide 24 into 8 equal groups, how many will there be in each group? Or how many groups of 8 are there in 24? As division and multiplication are linked, if you learn your times tables and know that 3 times 8 is equal to 24, you also know that 24 divide 8 is equal to 3, and that 24 divide 3 is equal to 8. Terms which tell you to divide. Words that tell you to divide are as follows: share, divide, quotient. The word per also tells you to divide, particularly when the calculation involves rates, miles per hour. Other special terms are half, which tell you to divide by 2, third, which tells you to divide by 3, quarter, which tells you to divide by 4. The bottom number in a fraction tells you the type of fraction and also tells you what number to divide by. These are the terminologies or the vocabulary words that we use in division. Dividend. The amount that you want to divide is called dividend. Divisor. The divisor is the number that the dividend will be divided by. Example, 10 divide 5. 10 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. Quotient. The answer after you divide one number by another. Dividend divide divisor equals quotient. Example, in 12 divide 4 is equal to 3. 3 is the quotient. Remainder. Sometimes we cannot divide things up evenly. There may be something left over. Example, there are 7 bones to share with 2 pups. But 7 cannot be divided exactly into 2 groups. So each pup gets 3 bones, but there will be 1 left over. The leftover is called remainder. So these are the terminologies used in division. So if you can see there, that is 16 divide 3. So and the 3 is the divisor, 16 is the dividend, and the answer, which is 5, is called the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. Learning your multiplication tables. The best way to learn your table is by rote. This is repeating them out loud over and over to yourself again and again until your brain simply remembers them. You should have had plenty of practice of learning your tables when you are looking at multiplication. If you learn your tables inside out, then dividing by those values should not be a problem. Remember, if you know that 4 times 5 is equal to 20, then you also know 20 divided 4 is 5 and 20 divided 5 is 4. So if you will do word problems and you will see these words, then you will know that you will use division in solving the problem. So these are the words that you need to know: divide evenly, cut, split, share, each, every, average, equal pieces, out of, ratio, and quotient. So if you see these words in a word problem, then you know that you will use division to solve the problem. So this is division. I hope you have learned something from our lesson today. You may now get your worksheets and answer your worksheets. Thank you for watching. See you again for the next math lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.